Assalamualaikum. Today we would like to give presentation about our group project 2 assignment for technical support service and maintenance for information agency, which is IMD222 subject. The title of this presentation is PC Proposal. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Nurfashiha binti Zamungi and I am the leader of this group. Now, let's meet the other member of this group.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syuhada binti Zamri.
My name is Tuan Nur Syahirah binti Tuan Abdul Aziz.
Hello, my name is Wan Nur Izati binti Wan Reza Izzuddin.
Hai, Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Roslaini binti Muhammad Azrul Hisham.
Now, let's start this presentation with introduction. A computer is a machine or device that performs processor, calculation and operation based on instruction provided by a software or hardware program. It is designed to execute application and provide a variety of solutions by combining integrated hardware and software components. Computer make it possible to receive, supply, and process large volume of data at very high speed. Computer greatly improve the speed of data input, output, processing, and transmission. For this group project, Nawal is a new student at the University Technology Mara. Nawal need a computer that use utility of software such as Microsoft Word, Windows, and others. Nawal also need a large storage because she will use most of the authorized software such as Adobe Premiere Pro, Adobe Dreamweaver, and Adobe Director. Nawal also need a hardware that suit for her gaming, and that hardware must produce a good sound system. All this need of software and hardware is important to Nawal so that she can do her work without a problem.
The first component of the computer that we want to recommend to Nawal is MSI MPG Z390M Gaming Edge AC motherboard. The reasons why we recommend this motherboard because it is very and high performance and also provide many latest features despite of the mid-range price. It is also support 1 second overclocking that are good for gaming. Besides that, this motherboard also has a better audio chipset as well as audio ports. It is advantageous for Nawal to watch movie comfortably also. The specification for the motherboard. For the brand is Intel. The CPU can support 8 and 9 generation of Intel. The chipset for the motherboard is Intel Z319. The memory support DDR4 and can support up to 128 GB of system memory. The audio for the motherboard is 7.1 channel high definition audio. The dimension of this motherboard is 6.9 inch times 6.9 inch. The operating system can support for Windows 10 64-bit. Nawal can purchase this motherboard for Rm684 The next component is Asus GeForce GT 710 graphic card. The reasons why we choose this graphic card is because Nawal can get great gaming experience because this graphic card provides intuitive performance tweaking. In addition, it has a feature of silent passive cooling that are good for preventing noise when Nawal is playing games and watching movies. The graphic card is also can boost computer performance by turning off Windows visual effects. For the specification, the brand is Asus. The memory size is 2 GB 64-bit. The memory speed is 954 MHz. The memory clock is 7012 MHz. And lastly, The resolution for the graphic card is 2560 times 1600. Now I can purchase this graphic card for Rm240. The next component is Intel Core i5 9400F processor. The reasons we recommend this processor to Nawal is because this CPU has higher operating frequency that allows it to run program faster. It also didn't use much power or produce much heat. The specification for this processor: the brand is Intel, the clock speed is 2.9 GHz, the memory can support DDR4, the socket is LGA1151, the turbo frequency is 4.10 GHz, and lastly the CPU cores is 6. Now I can purchase this processor for Rm649. The fourth component is computer case, which is Fantex PHEC 300 PTG WT Eclipse P300 computer case. The reasons why we choose this computer case is because it is the high quality glass side panel and has expandable RGB features. It also offers removable dust filters on top, bottom and front of case. Also, low noise are produced. Specification: the brand of this computer case is Fantex. The case type is mid-tower. The weight of the computer case is 6 kg. The dimension is 200 x 400 x 450 mm. And the material for the computer case is steel, glass and plastic. Now I can purchase this computer case for Rm249. The next component is system memory. We choose HyperX Fury 8GB system memory because this system memory can deliver a boost of performance and styles for Nawal. There are also features to personalize game mode, which Nawal can just utilizing the game mode button. This system memory are easy to run and overclock on any PC platform. Lastly, it is very cool and stylish system memory that are low profile heat spreader. Specification: the brand for this system memory is HyperX. The speed for the system memory can be up to 3200 MHz. The kit capacity is up to 8 GB. The voltage is 1.2 volt and 1.35 volt. The dimension for the system memory is 5.25 times 0.28 times 1.62 inch. Now I can purchase this system memory for Rm218.
After system memory is hard disk. The hard disk that we have choose is Seagate 1TB internal mechanical hard disk. The reason why we choose this hard disk is because this hard disk have perfect extra storage for Nawal's computer. It is available to store Nawal's data for long term. And the data can be computers' operating systems, applications, documents, personal files, and so on. The brand of this hard disk is Seagate. The speed is 5,900 to 7,200 RPM. The cache is 64 MB to 126 MB. The interface is SATA 2.0 and the body size is 3.5 inches. And lastly, the HDD capacity is 3 TB. Next is DVD-ROM. The DVD-ROM that we have choose is internal multi-writer for laptop DVD. The reason why we choose this DVD is because this DVD-ROM can read and write all DVD or CD media. It is great spare or replacement unit for your existing laptop or all-in-one computer. The brand of this DVD-ROM is OEM, the model is IDE, and the warranty is 1 month. The price of this DVD-ROM is 40 ringgit.
The software that we suggest to Nawal is Windows 10. We suggest Windows 10 to Nawal because operating system is lighter and faster in action. It also functions much faster than older Windows version. The Windows 10 requires less processing power from the hardware. The specification of this Windows 10 is the RAM is 1 GB for 32-bit or 2 GB for 64-bit. The display must 1024 plus 600 or above. The price of this Windows 10 is 125 ringgit in Malaysia. Another software we suggest to Nawal is Adobe Creative Cloud. We suggest this software because it has entire collection of 13 above creative apps. It also can create many creative ideas for the design, photo, or illustration for Nawal. The specification of this software is the storage is up to 20 GB and RAM is 8 GB. The price of this Adobe Creative Cloud is 2,025 ringgit in Malaysia. We also suggest Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 for Nawal. It is because the collection of Office-related applications. It also serves a unique purpose and offers a specific service to its user. It also has mainly consists of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access, OneNote, Outlook, and Publisher application. The specification of this Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019 is the brand is Microsoft and the color is white. The price of this software is 319 ringgit in Malaysia.
Next is Logitech M185 wireless mouse. The reason why we choose this mouse is it is cheap but give a good performance. It is wireless for convenience and freedom. Fast data transmission, no delays or drops out. Contoured design offers more comfort than a touchpad. It was built to last a year battery life. Specification: sensor technology, advanced optical tracking. Sensor resolution 1000, battery life 12 months battery life. Battery type 1 AA battery. Wireless technology advanced 2.4 GHz wireless connectivity. Interface using USB receiver. The price is only 55 ringgit. Caution Edge G2000 headset. The reason why we choose this headset for Nawals are it comes with LED gaming headset with high precision 51mm magnetic neodymium drivers with soft leather earpads, braided cable fitted with rotary volume controller. The specifications: the driver's diameter is 50mm, the frequency range is 20 kHz, the connection is USB LED plus 3.5mm stereo, the cable length 2.2 meter, the price is only 105 ringgit. Roswell 104 normal keys, 12 function keys, USB wired multimedia keyboard, black RK700M. The reason why we choose this keyboard for Nawals are it has comprehensive touch. The access application and control the audio with a press of a button. One touch action to directly access internet and multimedia function. With high quality rubber membranes, key switches delivering comprehensive touch for a speed and comfort. The specification is interface with USB, normal keys 104, function keys 12. The type of the keyboard is wired. The price is only 60 ringgit and 88 cents.
Next, we suggest to Nawal to buy an Animeku 2275 HD HDR covered Half HD with 1920 times 1018 gaming IPS monitor PC, HDMI support PS4 LED display. It is because of the product was suitable for Nawal to play the games, and this product had full HD resolution vibrate, superior picture quality, and enhanced gaming experience with AMD FreeSync and game mode. The price of this PC monitors is 399. It is very economical for students to buy it. So the next output device that we have suggest to Nawal is a Sonographer O2i gaming computer speakers, USB powered. This electronic device had a powerful sound impact with output power. Nawal can use this output device when she is playing the games or watching the movie with clear sounds. And the price of this speaker is in RM118 and 35 cents. And the last but not least is output device that we have suggest to Nawal is Imprison Gaming ATX 900 Watt Extreme Series Black Edition power supply unit. And this output device have high performance cooling solution, and the price is also economical for students to afford it. This power supply support two-way SATA equipment and also easy for installations. The price of this power supply is in RM 63 and 19 cents. After we considering of the price of for the components that we have suggest to Nawal, the total is in 3,852 ringgit and 31 cents.
In conclusion, all of the software and hardware recommended for Nawal, as she wants to use the computer for her assignment utility software such as Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, and Microsoft Access. Apart from that, she needs to use programming software such as VBNet and C++, and authoring software such as Adobe Dreamweaver, Adobe Premiere, and Adobe Director. All of the software and hardware that are recommended for her will support her university's work, playing games, and for movie marathon. The software and hardware are chosen to her to fulfill her needs.